Hi everyone, I hope you all are safe and doing great. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the Dermaco 20% Vitamin C Serum. This has 20% of vitamin C, ferulic acid and hyaluronic acid. Now, this retails for 899 rupees and you are getting 20 ml of product. So if you want to know what are my thoughts on this particular serum, then please keep on watching, but also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit on that notification bell so that every single time I upload a video you will get notified and you don't miss out on anything. Now without rambling much, let's go. Dermaco is an Indian brand. All of their products are free from sulfate, paraben, dye and mineral oil. Also, this is dermatologically tested and fragrance free. Now this is how the actual product looks like. It comes in a glass jar packaging along with a dropper. Vitamin C has anti-aging properties, so if you have fine lines and wrinkles, this is gonna deal with that. Also, it's really good if you have acne scars or pigmentation, if you have blemish prone skin, if you have hypopigmentation, try this one out. Although this has ferulic acid and hyaluronic acid has hydrating properties, but itself vitamin C has a lot of hydrating properties. So if you have dull, dry and dehydrated skin, definitely try this one out. This is gonna give you a glowy, dewy, hydrated, plump skin. If you have dull, dry, dehydrated, lifeless skin, try this one out. This is gonna give you glow. I used to use this one. This is their 10% vitamin C face serum, and this has 5% of niacinamide, vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. So if you are a beginner, you should start with their 5% vitamin C serum. Also, you can start with this one. This is really nice. It also has niacinamide, so you don't have to use a vitamin C and niacinamide separately if you use this one. But if you are not a beginner and if you are used to vitamin C serum, then only I would suggest you to go for this one. And if you are using it for the very first time, I would definitely say that do a patch test and then use it, because a lot of people are allergic to vitamin C. So yeah, doing a patch test is needed. And topping off with a sunscreen the very next morning is a must. This serum has ethyl ascorbic acid as vitamin C that immensely brighten up your skin. It treats pigmentation, evens out your skin tone. Ferulic acid neutralizes free radical damage. It enhances antioxidant benefits, and it also helps in controlling spots, fine lines and wrinkles. Hyaluronic acid provides you long-lasting hydration and improves the skin's texture, keeps your skin supple and hydrated. I do have a coupon code with Dermaco which is flashing on the screen right now. If you use this on their website, you will get extra 20% off. This is not an affiliate code, so I'm not gonna make any money out of it. This is just for you guys. Also, every time you buy from their website, they will link your order to a child that they're gonna help educating along with Bhumi, and they have pledged to help 10,000 plus students across the year. Now guys, as I said, topping it off with a sunscreen the very next morning is really important. So no matter what, use a sunscreen every single day. And if you want me to suggest just one sunscreen, this is I'm going to suggest, because this is so lightweight on the skin. It doesn't give you white cast. It's very comfortable on the skin. It doesn't feel heavy, greasy or sticky, or it doesn't make you sweaty. So this is the 1% hyaluronic sunscreen Aqua Gel. This has SPF of 50 and PA4+. This has hyaluronic acid, vitamin E. This is fragrance free and dermatologically tested. And also this is going to give you broad spectrum protection and blue light protection. Now this is the only sunscreen I've been using from past 5-6 months, and this is very hydrating on the skin because it has hyaluronic acid and vitamin E, and most importantly, it doesn't give me white cast and it doesn't feel heavy on the skin. Also, it doesn't sting my eyes. So yeah, I would highly recommend this particular sunscreen, and this is suitable for all skin type. So do try this one out. And also, I really like the packaging of it. It's so travel friendly. It comes in a tube sort of packaging. It's so sleek, and it also comes with a pump, and this is how the product looks like. I mean, look at the texture. It's so hydrating on the skin. It doesn't give you white cast, and it almost feels like a hydrating moisturizer. The Dermaco SPF 50 1% Hyaluronic Sunscreen Aqua Gel is formulated with an effective combination of hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. It has hyaluronic acid, which is an excellent skincare active that reduces the visibility of fine lines and wrinkles. It retains the moisture into your skin. This sunscreen is non-sticky, non-greasy, gets easily absorbed into the skin. It increases skin cell turnover and creates a plump looking effect. So yeah guys, that's it. That brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. All of the product details and links are mentioned in the description box, so don't forget to check that out, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It doesn't cost you anything, but it will help me a lot. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I will see you soon in my next one.